Okay, so one of my favorite products that I like to use is this Sebastian Clay. It's a pomade, but more of a dry pomade. I prefer the dry look versus the wet look, so I'm not huge on gels. I do like gels, but gels tend to give it more of a spiky look opposed to a textured, chunky look. I kind of like more of a chunky versus spiky look. And I'm just gonna put this pomade into my hand and kind of manipulate it in to James's hair. I'm gonna kind of pull and twist where I want to see texture. And then right now I'm just kind of working it in, but here at the front, I'm kind of pulling it straight and twisting. And what that does is the twisting creates separation in the hair, right? So it's not just one ball of cotton as we talked about. It's got these different chunky type ends that make it look really cool. And so I like to go through and just kind of twist it up where you see fit, wherever you want to see the hair kind of get piecey and chunky. Just go over to that particular spot, you know, and play with it. And here's the thing, once you start applying product, you might notice that there's still a couple of spots that are still a little heavy. So like right here, I'm going to take this piece, again, not cutting the hair all the way, not closing the blade all the way. Another thick piece here. Another thick piece here. And I'm noticing now that the product's in the hair, right? I can see as I try and make it look chunky, it's still too thick. Okay, so